Welcome back to the 5% podcast with me, Andrea, your host. Today's topic is the Bathwater Method and revolutionizing business ownership and wealth building. So, in today's podcast, we're going to delve into why the top 5% of individuals choose to buy businesses as a path to building wealth. With staggering statistics to support our discussion, we're going to explore how business ownership can be a lucrative investment strategy. From increased earning potential to diversifying income streams, we uncover the wealth building opportunities that come with entrepreneurship. Additionally, we introduce the Bathwater Method, a revolutionary approach that enables individuals to acquire businesses with zero down, so paving the way for financial freedom and success. So, join us as we uncover the secrets to achieving wealth through business ownership. Why buy a business? The top 5% of individuals, or the 5%ers, who often choose to buy businesses, they do it because of these reasons. They want to build wealth, and they do it for many compelling reasons and statistics. One is higher income potential. Most business ownership provides the ability for you as a business owner to earn higher income compared to traditional employment. Reason number 3, equity growth. Business ownership offers the opportunity for equity growth over time in a business. And a study by BizBuySell found that the median selling price of small businesses in the United States increased by 3.3% from 2019 to 2020 during a time, right, the pandemic, where you would not have expected to see that type of increase. So an excellent and solid reason why going into business is a great way to build wealth and become a 5%er. So number 4, tax benefits. Businesses often enjoy various tax benefits that can contribute to wealth accumulation. These include deductions for businesses, and such as expenses, depreciation of the assets that they own, and potential eligibility for tax credits. So another amazing reason why going into business or buying a business is top of mind for 5%ers. And number 5, entrepreneurial freedom. Business owners and ownership find that they are provided with the ability to be in business for themselves and have freedom, control over their financial destiny. And according to Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, the GEM, entrepreneurs report higher levels of job satisfaction and autonomy compared to traditional employees. Naturally, something that would appeal to individuals or who fall in the 5% class. So those are 5 reasons. And in addition to those 5 reasons that anyone who falls in the 5% class would go into business is including 2 additional things: generational wealth and the entrepreneurial success. So I know that one of the reasons why I went into business for myself and for my family was to build a legacy, to build generational wealth. And to me, if a business can do that, then that is the ultimate option for me to be in business for myself rather than being an employee. And lastly, I feel in general from research that entrepreneurship allows individuals who enter into that to be an inspiration and motivation for others, either others in their family, their friends, or just even to people out there. When you think of some of the great successes like Oprah, Elon Musk, and individuals like that who really started from nothing and were able to build and create huge success, they did it all through businesses and being in business and having ownership and freedom of time and freedom of choice through businesses that they created. So those are 5. I gave you 5, plus obviously building a legacy and being a success and an inspiration to others. Enjoying our podcast? Stay connected beyond the episodes by following us on our other social media channels for exclusive content and updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share to help us grow and reach even more listeners. Your support means the world to us. Let's keep the conversation going. This is how you buy a business with zero down. We're going to talk today about the Bathwater Method and how you can get started on buying businesses and building towards becoming a 5%er. So, buying a business with zero down, the Bathwater Method. So these stats I couldn't find for Canada, but when I found these stats, it says that there are 11 million businesses that are for sale annually in the United States, and 1 in 12 are actually sold. 1 in 12, which means that there's still 11 businesses annually that are not sold and that are never sold. And at some point, these owners are going to get tired, and they're going to become delinquent. They are going to become frustrated because they are now in a position where they're struggling and they don't have a clue what they're going to be able to do next to sustain their business. And so they go into throwing the baby out with the bathwater, and that's how we get the bathwater method, right? They figure I can't do it, and they give up. But you are going to be able to buy this business for zero down when you can show a business, because typically even shutting down a business costs, right? And if it actually costs them money and the business owner, you can show them without having to close down, shut down, and move on. You're going to say, so Mr. Business Owner, why don't you let me buy your business for a percentage, say 5% of, so you can buy it for 5% of the future value of the future profits. And this will allow them to first save some money on not having to cost themselves to go out of business. And you can keep it open, and I will continue to pay the transaction fees and that will allow you to sell the business, right? And you can buy the business. Why not buy the business from them at the cost that they're looking for, right? You're not putting out any money. You're offering them a 5%, future value, as well as you're saying in the future, I will even give you 5% of the business ongoing, right? As well as 5% of the distributions. So the key for finding this, which one of these 11 businesses that will never sell is to find the business owner who is going to throw the baby out with the bathwater, and you then can buy that business from them. So that's key, finding that individual. So you might have to go through tens and maybe a lot of businesses to eventually find that individual. And typically, I'm going to say probably these businesses aren't likely necessarily always listed in the business sections that are for sale, but you're going to start putting your feelers out there and talk to individuals, talk to people who interact with business owners that may be struggling and looking for an opportunity to sell to you.
Are financial worries keeping you up at night? Say goodbye to struggling and hello to financial freedom with My Income Space. Our course is your ticket to building a successful short-term rental business right from your own home. Delivered digitally, you'll learn at your own pace with expert guidance every step of the way. Don't wait any longer to start earning extra income. Register for My Income Space today and take control of your finances. Sign up today.